Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on Shazam weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you search about Shazam and you click. Then here you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.